Planning a quick trip from Singapore to Johor Bahru. One of the easiest and fastest ways is by train. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to travel from Singapore to JB via the KTM Shuttle Tebrau. From getting your tickets, boarding the train at Woodlands, to arriving at JB Sentral, I'll show you the entire process so your journey will be smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. Step 1 is booking your train ticket online. Just head over to the KTM website, you can see it on the screen right now. Once you're there, click on Shuttle Tebrau and pick your travel schedule. The first train leaves at 8:30 in the morning, while the last one departs at 11:45 at night. Don't forget to log into your account, and if you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it before booking. When choosing your time slot, keep this in mind: the gray tabs mean tickets are sold out, and the yellow tabs show the available options. Step 2 is selecting the ticket that best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, you're all set for the journey. Before we move on, here are some important tips to remember. My journey began at Woodlands MRT station, where I headed to the bus interchange and took bus number 856. This bus conveniently drops you right at the Woodlands train checkpoint, the departure point for the KTM Shuttle Tebrau. From there, the process is simple. After getting off the bus, I made my way to the checkpoint, cleared Singapore immigration, and then boarded the train. The ride itself is very short, just about 5 minutes, but it saves so much time compared to other border crossings. Once the train crosses the causeway into Malaysia, you'll arrive at JB Central Station. There, you go through Malaysian immigration, and just like that, welcome to Johor Bahru. It's quick, efficient, and probably the most hassle-free way to travel between Singapore and JB. In this trip, I'll be showing you exactly how the journey looks step by step, so you'll know what to expect before planning your own ride. As the train crosses the causeway, you'll notice something interesting running alongside the tracks: large water pipes. These pipes actually supply water from Malaysia to Singapore, and they've been an important part of the connection between the two countries for decades. The KTM Shuttle Tebrau is a dedicated train service that connects Singapore and Johor Bahru. It runs between Woodlands train checkpoint in Singapore and JB Sentral in Malaysia, with the entire journey taking only about 5 minutes. Trains operate daily from early morning until late at night, with more than 30 trips scheduled each way. Tickets are affordable, usually just a few dollars, and because the service is so popular, it's always best to book in advance. The KTM train is not only the fastest way to cross the border, but also the most convenient, as it helps you avoid the heavy traffic on the causeway. The moment you step off the train at JB Sentral, you'll find yourself right in the heart of Johor Bahru. After clearing Malaysian immigration, you walk straight into JB Sentral Mall, a lively hub filled with shops, cafes, and eateries. It's the perfect place to grab a quick bite, exchange currency, or even do some shopping before heading out to explore the city. Just outside the station, the streets of Johor Bahru are buzzing with activity. Within walking distance, you'll find City Square Mall, a popular stop for shopping and dining. One of the popular places to visit in Johor Bahru is AEON Mall, located just a short drive from the city center. This massive shopping complex has just about everything under one roof. From international and local fashion brands to electronics, home goods, and beauty products, it's a one-stop destination for shopping lovers. The mall also has plenty of dining options, whether you're craving local Malaysian favorites, Japanese sushi, Korean barbecue, or simple fast food, you'll easily find something to satisfy your appetite. Families especially love this place because it has a cinema, entertainment zones, and even supermarkets for convenient grocery shopping. If you're planning a day trip to JB, AEON Mall.on is a great stop to relax, shop, and enjoy some Malaysian flavors before heading back to Singapore. Just a short 15-minute drive from the checkpoint brings you to Hai Kah Lang, a Michelin-bib gourmand seafood gem nestled in Taman Sentosa. Its name, Hai Kah Lang, means people of the sea in Hokkien, and here, that spirit shines through in every bowl. Step inside and you're greeted by tanks of live seafood, prawns, cockles, fish slices, a testament to their commitment to freshness and quality. One must try here is the mixed seafood noodle or porridge, around RM 28.90. It's loaded with crab, clams, squid, shrimp, fish, and seaweed, all swimming in a fragrant fishbone broth infused with huadia wine. Another standout is the milk soup fish head noodle, RM 17.90, where you get creamy, comforting broth, by hand noodles, and a crispy fried fish head served on the side to keep that crunch. Hai Kah Lang isn't just a meal, it's a seafood noodle experience that blends freshness, flavor, and value. A perfect stop to indulge before heading back across the border. Welcome to City Square Mall, right here in the heart of Johor Bahru. This place is a paradise for shoppers, foodies, and families alike. From international brands to local favorites, you can find everything under one roof. As you walk through the mall, you'll notice the modern design with bright, spacious corridors, making it easy and comfortable to explore. Whether you're looking for fashion, electronics, or even unique souvenirs, City Square Mall has got you covered. Hungry? The mall has a wide variety of dining options, from casual cafes to full-service restaurants. Don't forget to check out the local Malaysian flavors, it's a real treat for your taste buds. Families will love the entertainment options too. There's a cinema for movie lovers, play areas for kids, and even events happening throughout the year that make every visit exciting. Alright, our Johor Bahru adventure is coming to an end, and now it's time to head back to Singapore. First stop, customs. Crossing the border is always an interesting experience. You'll see people from all walks of life, travelers, commuters, and families, all moving in a steady flow. It's quick, efficient, and a chance to observe the hustle and bustle of the border life. Remember to have your passport ready and keep your belongings organized, it makes the process so much smoother. And don't worry, the officers are professional and friendly, ensuring everyone moves along safely. Once through customs, it's just a short walk to the platform where our train awaits. And soon, we'll be back on Singapore soil, reflecting on the fun, food, and experiences of JB. Crossing the border by train is not just convenient, it's a little journey of its own, a chance to pause, look around, and enjoy the moment before heading home.